How to turn off TalkBack to 3 ways on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. Now here, so click on Settings App. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Accessibility. So after click on Accessibility, click on TalkBack and make sure turn on this button. So after turn on TalkBack button, go back, and if you want to turn off TalkBack, so first of all say Bixby. So after say Bixby, you will see Bixby is showing here. So hey Bixby, and turn off TalkBack. So after say turn off TalkBack, you will see TalkBack is turn off. So there is another way of turn off TalkBack. So first of all, 2 fingers and swipe down and click on this settings icon and double tap on settings icon. So 2 fingers and scroll down and click on accessibility. So you will see accessibility is here. So if one time click on accessibility and so double click on accessibility, you will see now in accessibility. So click on TalkBack. So click on TalkBack. So if you want to turn off, so click on and turn off and click turn off. So after turn off, you will see go back to home screen, refresh phone. So that's how you can 3 ways to turn off TalkBack on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.